How to save JPG as PDF on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Open any photo from here. As you can see, this photo is now in the JPEG format. Go to the bottom and tap on the eye icon. Go to the bottom left corner and tap on the share icon. You can view all the available sharing options here. Scroll down and tap on Print. Here, go to the top right corner and tap on the share icon. As you can see, the photo is now in the PDF format. Then, tap on Save to Files. Select the folder you want to save this file to. And then, tap on Save at the top. Following these steps, you can easily save JPEG as PDF on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.